Hello, and welcome back to this week's episode of Tech Tips. My name is Lucas Morneau, and today we'll be exploring the Geekoto Softbox Light Kit. This light kit is an easy-to-use and compact kit that allows you to set up beautiful diffused lighting in under a minute. So, let's take a look. The Geekoto Softbox Light Kit consists of two 5x51 by 71 cm softboxes, two light diffusion panels, two light stands adjustable up to 2 meters, and two E27 85-watt CFL light bulbs. To set up the lights, first loosen the screw that locks the light stand's legs in place. Push the legs until the support beams are parallel to the ground. We'll then loosen the screws, fastening the telescopic poles in place. Raise the bottom pole and fasten the screw, locking it into place. Before we adjust the top pole, we'll attach the softbox. Locate the mount and secure the softbox to the light stand by tightening the screw. We'll then open the softbox like an umbrella, pushing the ring inside until the softbox pops open and locks into place. Next, take the E27 CFL light and screw it into the corresponding E27 socket. Grab the diffusion panel and attach it to the Velcro on the front of the softbox. We can then adjust the top telescopic pole to our desired height, locking it into place. Finally, we can unscrew the top screw to adjust the angle of the softbox. The E27 CFL light included in this kit is an 85-watt light bulb. Therefore, while it's a huge light bulb, it doesn't produce a lot of light. As it is a CFL light, the light emitted by a Geekoto's kit is rated at a cool 5400 Kelvin. Therefore, these lights work great if you're looking to add a bit more light while shooting in daylight. Maybe we're filling in harsh shadows on the face caused by high noon sunlight. However, as these do not run off batteries, you'd need a power source if outdoors. If you're shooting indoors, avoid using other light sources unless you know they are the same color temperature or you're trying to achieve some sort of color effects, like having an accent tungsten light in your scene. As we already know, the larger your light source, the softer your shadows. These lights work best as key lights and rim lights for your video and photo projects. The larger size of the softboxes allows light to spread and diffuse through the diffusion panel before hitting your subject, creating a gorgeous, even light. So now let's take a look at the pros and the cons of this light kit. This light kit is easy to use and compact. Therefore, it's probably the best light kit that we have in our equipment list for beginners. The CFL light bulb in this kit also has a longer lifespan than traditional halogen and tungsten lighting. Therefore, these lights will last longer and save you more money in the end than tungsten lights will. There are a few cons to this kit as well. While the lights are easy to set up and compact, they are also a bit flimsy. So you do want to be careful setting these up and maybe ensure that you're using sandbags to help weigh down the light stands. The light in this kit isn't the brightest in comparison to traditional tungsten incandescent lighting or our newer LED lights. Therefore, you might have to use more of these lights to get enough light output to properly light your scene. You can't change the color temperature nor adjust the output of these lights. They're not dimmable and you can't change the color temperature. So therefore, you're stuck at a constant 85-watt, 540 Kelvin light. And finally, because these lights have a shorter lifespan, we're going to be replacing them more often than we're replacing our LED lights. Therefore, these can cost you more in the end than LED light kits. In conclusion, the Geekoto Light Kit is an extremely easy kit to use and possibly the best kit that Struts & Fawcett has for beginners. My name is Lucas Morneau. Stay safe, and I hope you have a fantastic week, and see you next time.